down with your bad self. Do it. Try no, do it like go back a little bit. Go back some. Come back right here in between. Put your belly in. You have to really go, get down with your bad self. Knees in. Knees in. Evan. Belly in. Get down with your bad self. Say it loud. No, it's okay. Go get down with your bad self. No, no, do it like I did it. Get down with your bad self. Put your knees forward. Stand up straight. Head up. Head up. And say, get down with your bad self. Good job.